Fiji's true magic lies in its people and their traditions. The greeting Bula isn't just a hello, it's an embrace into the community. Remember, when visiting villages, bring a token like kava, dress modestly, and always ask before taking photos. This respect deepens your connection to Fiji's soul. Nature lovers, prepare for a visual feast. Dive into the Great White Wall or swim with manta rays. On land, trek through lush rainforests to hidden waterfalls. Fiji's natural wonders are as diverse as they are stunning. Fiji's culinary scene is a blend of Melanesian flavors and international influences. Seafood is a staple, with dishes like kokoda offering a taste of the islands. Don't miss the local markets for a true flavor of Fijian street food. Choosing eco-friendly resorts and practicing leave no trace are ways to preserve Fiji's beauty. Support coral reef restoration and sustainable initiatives to ensure the islands remain a paradise for all. Beyond Viti Levu, the Mamanukas and Yasawas beckon with their idyllic beauty. For a more secluded experience, the remote Lao group offers untouched charm and tranquility. Fiji Day and the Hibiscus Festival are vibrant celebrations of Fijian culture. Join in the festivities to experience the island's rich traditions and community spirit. Indulge in traditional spa treatments like the banana leaf body wrap and Fijian bobo massage. These ancient practices offer a deep sense of relaxation and connection to Fijian healing traditions. Witness the art of masi making and explore the intricate work of Fijian pottery and wood carving. These crafts are a window into Fiji's artistic heritage. In Fiji, every encounter, every tradition, and every landscape becomes part of a story that you're invited to join. So immerse yourself fully and become part of Fiji's timeless tale. Book your adventure today and experience the heartbeat of the islands. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.